Dear listeners, today I invite you to discover a revolutionary product that will change the way you live your daily life. Imagine a device that not only fulfills an essential function, but does so with an efficiency, style, and design intelligence that exceed your expectations. I present to you the CHIQ Refrigerator Freezer Model FBML BM157L42, a gem of modern technology that will become the new heart of your kitchen. If you are interested, feel free to click now on the link in the description to learn more about these unique features as well as the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours right away. This refrigerator freezer is the perfect ally for small families or couples of 2 to 3 people. It is ideal for those looking to maximize space without compromising on functionality and style in modern living spaces. This refrigerator, with its 157 liters of capacity, is perfectly sized to meet the needs of a household of 2 to 3 people. Thanks to its cleverly designed dimensions of 40.9 centimeters in depth, 40.70 in width, and a height of 140.4 centimeters, it integrates elegantly into both small and large spaces while offering optimal storage capacity. The CHIQ refrigerator shines with its smart features, such as its smart frost technology that combats ice formation and ripening, saving you the hassle of defrosting and extending the freshness of your food. Its advanced acoustic insulation guarantees you unparalleled tranquility with only 39 decibels, a barely perceptible whisper that preserves the serenity of your interior. But that's not all. It is designed to make your daily life easier. The refrigerator compartment, strategically placed at the top, allows you to access your food without bending down, while the lower freezer, equipped with 3 transparent drawers, enables you to easily see and organize what you have stored. 2001, and guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and order it in an instant. This refrigerator is a model of durability and performance. It is not only equipped with an integrated LED light that illuminates all your actions, but it is also designed to serve you over the long term with a 2-year warranty for the refrigerator and an impressive 12-year warranty for the compressor. The reversible doors of this refrigerator adapt to any type of environment and kitchen layout, providing you with installation flexibility without compromising ease of use. And for those who care about the environment, this refrigerator uses a high-efficiency, low-energy consumption RA compressor, allowing you to reduce your ecological footprint while saving on your electricity bills. What? The interior details have not been overlooked. Mobile shelves to adapt to your storage needs, a large door for quick access to frequently used items, and bright night lighting for your late-night needs. The 3 deep drawers offer you the possibility to organize your food separately and handle them with ease. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. And for those who seek not only quality but also style, this refrigerator, with its sleek black exterior, will perfectly harmonize with the design of your kitchen while adding a touch of modernity. Now let's move on to its advantages as well as its drawbacks. Advantage number 1. Compact size, ideal for tight spaces while offering sufficient capacity for an average household. Advantage number 2, low noise level. Ms. At 39 dB, it is particularly quiet, making it comfortable for use in spaces where calm is appreciated. Advantage number 3, smart frost technology. It reduces frost formation, which decreases the frequency of manual defrosting. Advantage number 4, interior LED lighting. Provides clear visibility and is energy efficient. Advantage number 5, reversible door, flexibility in kitchen layout suitable for different environments. Advantage number 6, extended warranty with 2 years on the refrigerators and 12 years on the compressor. The warranty is a significant strong point. Advantage number 7, adjustable shelf and transparent drawers. Facilitates the organization and access to food. Advantage number 8, environmentally friendly. Uses a high-efficiency RA compressor with low energy consumption. Advantage number 9, elegant design. The modern black finish fits into various kitchen styles. Now let's move on to the few drawbacks, the number 1 being limited capacity with 157 liters. It may not be sufficient for larger families or those who store a lot of frozen products. Disadvantage number 2, lack of water and ice dispenser. For users who prefer these features, they are not available on this model. I could continue to detail the advantages of this chic refrigerator freezer model FBML BM157L42, but the best way is to experience it for yourself. So if you want to give your daily life an ally of freshness and efficiency, click on the link in the description to order it. Starting at the best price, learn more and discover the hundreds of reviews from customers who have experienced this chic refrigerator freezer model FBML BM157L42. It has become an essential part of their daily lives. Don't wait any longer. It's time to bring excellence combined with simplicity into your home. 2009. Thank you for your attention and I hope to see you very soon.